welcome to the second unboxing video on this channel. Today, got a keychain. So, it's an American Airlines seatbelt keychain. It's a mini seatbelt. So let's open this up. Got a ship thing, and then, oh, here it is. Oh, it's so mini. Look at it. American Airlines. Look at that. Where's the other part? Really? Do we seriously only get one part? Look at that. Nothing else in there. Is that seriously it? I paid $7 for half of my product? Okay, well, here's this. Because on the description, I'll put it on the screen right now, it said that there's two parts. 1 and 2. So, I'm not really sure. The picture was right. So I'll put the picture up again, but it was vague. So basically, it showed this right here, and then that separately. What I thought was this had a thingy right there, a strap, plus this. So I thought there was 2 accessories. Technically there is 2, but still I thought this right here was one whole thing, and then there was another little thing you could put in there. But whatever, it's fine. But just a little bit vague on the instructions on American. So that's it.